Hello, this is Natasha, and welcome to my channel, and welcome back if you've been here before, where makeup is contagious and fashion is a passion. What I'm showing here today will be my haul from Sephora, plus I have a little bit of Macy makeup blended in with it, but this is just the first episode of two, because I did do two different hauls. So, let's get started. Let's start with the smaller things. This is the magnetic eyelash magnet. Now I'm trying this because usually when I do the lashes myself with the glue, it never works out. I can never get it on my eyelashes. It just be all over the place, and I'm batting my eyes, panicking, trying to do it. So I figured I'd give this a try and see where it takes me. So hopefully this will work out just fine. Also, I got the Luxie brushes. Now I do believe this is from Macy's, and it was a gift with purchase. So that's what that looks like. So then we have here the Too Faced Major Love, and that's what that looks like. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. I like the green one especially. Okay, moving on. And then we have the Earth palette. What is that? The Earth palette by Milk Cosmetics. I'm really liking their stuff, but you can really get some of the stuff because it sells out so quickly, which is the mark of a good cosmetic company. All right. So then we have the inside of theirs. Isn't it pretty? Yes, it is. That's so pretty. Alright, switch it over. This is all cherry. And this here is also an eye palette. Let me see if I can get it open. And that is what that looks like. Okay, next. Born This Way Cosmetic. Too Faced. See if I can get this open. And this is what that looks like in the inside. It smells so good. It smells nice. Good thing I like the smell of it. Otherwise, it'd probably be too much. It's very strong, but it's very pretty smelling. Alright, so we got the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice. And that is what this looks like. See all the colors? Very pretty. Look forward to trying this out. Okay. So let's go into Natasha Denona. See if I can get this open. With just one end. There we go. Oh wow, that was like a little workout. And that's what this looks like. Very nice. Well, have never had this one, so I figured with me being able to get the discounts and stuff, that I would try this, because I never had it. And this was the first time I had ever heard about her, was through a YouTuber. And when I went on to Sephora, it was I think one of her first palettes I see was either this one or another one, and it was $200 and something. I was like, hell no, I don't want makeup that bad that I got to pay $200-300 for it. So when it went to $125, now you got my attention. I could do that. I'll do anything between $125 to $150. That's in makeup. And perfume is different. I go all the way to $360. Alright, so this is what this looks like, which has been around for years. I'm just fortunate enough to get one. Okay. So let's go to Strawberry Daiquiri. This is also a Macy's makeup line. Oh crap, I just scratched that. All because it's plastic. Alright. This is what it looks like now that it's scratched. Even if I want to return this, this is just badly shaped now. And this is what it looks like. This is the strawberry daiquiri. The beauty quap. See if I can show that even closer. Alright, another Macy's brand. I'm not going to even try to pull the plastic off of that because I scratched the other one trying to do that. That's what it looks like. Okay, I also got this roller for the face. I just wanted to try it out. And it was on sale, so plus a discount for the haul. So I have to figure one out. I'll just try it. Then I needed some more Better Than Sex mascara. So I bought the 2-pack. Figure why not? The price was good. I wanted, oh my goodness, I wanted the one that was at like 7 or 8 for the whole year. It sells out quick as soon as it get there. So this one was sold out also, but I put my name on the list, and when it came back in, I was able to get it. Alright. So let's now go to Empower about Huda Beauty. Look at that. See if I can get this open with one hand. Doing a pretty good job here. This is what it looks like. Isn't it pretty? I like that gold. Let me swipe the gold real quick. Oh, maybe not. It's got flakes in it. It's still pretty, but I don't have to deal with that. But it's still very pretty, isn't it, though? Wait, there's one more I want to try. Let me try this one. Oh, creamy. Alright, let's try this one. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, that's Huda Beauty. So let's go to Tarte. And this here came with 2 in the pack. 2 for price of 1. See if I can open this. Okay, simple. And this is what that looks like. Very pretty. This one keeps slipping out of my hands. It's playing the game. Alright, and this is how the other one looks like. Now I'm getting ready to pack to go to Dallas area for vacation. I'm trying to figure out what palette will I take with me that I can afford to lose, such in case I lose my luggage or something. I think I could take this because it came 2 for 1. Either that or the major eyeshadow palette. Alright, so this was the only one I was missing in my collection of Nirvana from oh my goodness, I can't remember her name. But this is the only one. This was the last one they put out, I do believe, for her daughter's line. And I had to pick it up to complete my set. And these are the colors. Now, to me, this is like a little clownish, but I wanted it to complete my set, which means I probably will never use it. And as time go along, maybe I'll sell it. I'm not big on selling things, but I know I need to get there because my niece is like, whenever I have something that I want it and it's brand new, I'll offer it to my family. And my niece finally said to me, Why don't you just try selling your stuff? I might have to agree with her. So it might get to the point where I sell the whole collection because this one looks like a clown. But I like it nonetheless. Okay. So not only did I buy makeup, but I bought this lotion. And it was usually $6. I got it for $4 each. And I got two different bottles, two different smells. And this is the whatever is Hawaiian. I do not know how to say the name of it. And it smells good. Can't complain. And this one is the mango. And these are 6.76 fluid ounces. So it should last a while. I'm gonna get one of these to my niece for her birthday. I'm putting together a birthday box for her. Alright. So then we have this here with Sol de Janeiro. And this too will be going to my niece for towards her birthday basket. I like it. I really like it. How it smells. Give her something I ain't never smelled. Let me smell it now. That smells so good. I might keep it for myself. Okay, now I'm on the fence about it. Man, I'm keeping that for myself. Say what? Say what? Say what? Alright, so I got the Reed Janeiro. Sol Janeiro, Brazilian Foreplay Body Wash Refill too. I already got the bottle. This here, I think it ran like $46 for the refill, and the bottle itself is like 50 something dollars. But everything I went up, so I won't hold my breath over that one. You know the real facts of it. All right, and then we have this water bottle. It says Sephora, New York. Now I got this here because my niece, she draws on water bottles and she does her own artwork on them. And she did one that I liked for herself, so I asked her if she could take and put my name in Hubie on the water bottle, and I would pay her for it. And she agreed. So I look forward to bringing this down to her for her to draw it out for me and see how it comes out. Alright, so the last of the makeup for this haul, number one, is Pat McGrath Labs. And this is the artisanal palette. I forget. I think this is the I don't know. I'm not for sure. I'm drawing a blank. And this is how this looks. And this is very pretty. That brown is showing up like it's black. Creamy. That's how the rest of it looks. That pink is very pretty. Let me swatch down. It looks alright now that I put it on my finger. It's nothing good to complain about. That is the Pat McGrath one. I keep thinking it's probably the Bridgerton set, but I'm not for sure. I don't think it is. But this is how it looks. Alright, let's get to the last palette of this haul. And this too is Pat McGrath. Let's reveal it. Now, I never throw away my covers. I always thought the covers were part of the palette itself. So to see people do that and throw away the cover, like, why would you do that? Because you can't tell one from another. It makes no sense, but some people still do it. It just makes no sense to me at all because the cover is part of the package of the makeup. See if I can get this open. Okay, it's like don't want to open for me. Oh, let's see here. There we go. Triumphant. And this is how this look. Another flaky gold and silver. I won't too much use them. I might for my niece's 16th birthday party, which is tomorrow. This is how it looks. Very pretty, isn't it? Alright, so as you see, I have a lot of palettes and stuff. I still do that 3 palettes a month. If I don't buy something in that month, then it rolls over into the next month and over and over. So by the time I get through, I may end up buying like 10 palettes at once. And though it seems like it's random to buy them all at once, it's because I didn't buy anything that month that I didn't see that I really wanted. So this here is my haul. This is Sephora shopping spree. Well, Sephora sale haul number 1, and number 2 will be coming up behind it. So with all that being said, depends on when you're watching this. You have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night, and God bless. Bye.